200.6 means of identifying grounded conductors. A sizes 6 AWG or smaller. The insulation of grounded conductors of 6 AWG or smaller shall be identified by one of the following means. 1. A continuous white outer finish. 2. A continuous gray outer finish. 3. 3 continuous white or gray stripes along the conductor's entire length on other than green insulation. 4. Conductors with white or gray insulation and colored tracer threads in the braid identifying the source of manufacture. 5. A single conductor, sunlight-resistant, outdoor-rated cable used as a solidly grounded conductor in photovoltaic power systems, as permitted by 690.31 C1, shall be identified at the time of installation by markings at terminations in accordance with 200.6 A1 through A4. 6. The grounded conductor of a mineral-insulated metal-sheathed cable, type MI, shall be identified at the time of installation by a distinctive white or gray marking at its terminations. The marking shall encircle the conductor insulation. 7. Fixture wire shall comply with the requirements for grounded conductor identification in accordance with 402.8. 8. For aerial cable, the identification shall comply with one of the methods in 200.6 A1 through A5, or by means of a ridge located on the exterior of the cable so as to identify it. B sizes 4 AWG or larger. An insulated grounded conductor 4 AWG or larger shall be identified by one of the following means. 1. A continuous white outer finish. 2. A continuous gray outer finish. 3. 3 continuous white or gray stripes along the entire length on other than green insulation. 4. At the time of installation, be identified by a distinctive white or gray marking at its terminations. This marking shall encircle the conductor insulation. C. Flexible cords. An insulated conductor that is intended for use as a grounded conductor, where contained within a flexible cord, shall be identified by a white or gray outer finish or by methods permitted by 400.22. Degrounded conductors of different nominal voltage systems. If grounded conductors of different nominal voltage systems are installed in the same raceway, cable, box, auxiliary gutter, or other type of enclosure, each grounded conductor shall be identified by nominal voltage system. Identification that distinguishes each nominal voltage system grounded conductor shall be permitted by one of the following means. 1. One nominal voltage system grounded conductor shall have an outer covering conforming to 200.6 A or B. 2. The grounded conductor, as of other nominal voltage systems, shall have a different outer covering conforming to 200.6 A or B, or by an outer covering of white or gray, with a distinguishable colored stripe other than green running along the insulation. 3. Other and different means of identification allowed by 200.6 A or B shall distinguish each nominal voltage system grounded conductor. The means of identification shall be documented in a manner that is readily available, or shall be permanently posted where the conductors of different nominal voltage systems originate. E. Grounded conductors of multi-conductor cables. The insulated grounded conductor, S, in a multi-conductor cable shall be identified by a continuous white or gray outer finish, or by 3 continuous white or gray stripes on other than green insulation along its entire length. For conductors that are 4 AWG or larger in cables, identification of the grounded conductor shall be permitted to comply with 200.6 B. For multi-conductor flat cable with conductors that are 4 AWG or larger, an external ridge shall be permitted to identify the grounded conductor. Exception, No. 1. Conductors within multi-conductor cables shall be permitted to be re-identified at their terminations at the time of installation by a distinctive white or gray marking or other equally effective means. Exception, No. 2. The grounded conductor of a multi-conductor varnished cloth insulated cable shall be permitted to be identified at its terminations at the time of installation by a distinctive white marking or other equally effective means. Informational note: the color gray may have been used in the past as an ungrounded conductor. Care should be taken when working on existing systems.